In this video, I will take a deep dive into Sonda AI to see if it actually lives up to the massive hype surrounding AI video creation tools today. Sonda AI aims to simplify the complex process of turning simple text prompts into high-quality video content without needing any technical expertise. One of the biggest pros of this platform is the incredibly clean user interface that makes navigation feel seamless for beginners. You can generate realistic avatars and clone your own voice with surprising accuracy, which saves hours of recording time. However, there are some cons to consider before you subscribe. The processing speed can feel a bit sluggish during peak hours, and the free version is quite limited in terms of export quality. While the AI movements are fluid, they can still occasionally look a little robotic in specific lighting scenarios. If you are a content creator looking to scale your output without a camera crew, Sonda AI is a powerful ally that offers professional results.